Okay, so we're into a little bit of troubleshooting here for the shunt. I've set it up just like it would appear in the wiring diagram. Just to quickly show you, you've got a 12 volt supply coming in here. It runs through the load and then through the positive side of the shunt back through negative to ground. There's also this wire here which is giving a voltage reading to the board. You've also got this communication wire here which is sending CAN signals to the VCU. It's also got a 12 volt supply. Tried out just initializing through the code and then resetting the board, loading the VCU code back up and then trying to get communication through that. So far absolutely nothing showing. So I had a dig around and this is what I found so far. So if we go into the serial monitor, and what you'll see is a list of information that this is the VCU board looking for CAN signals. So far it's not receiving any information from the shunt. Just to show, if I initialize it, I press I, it thinks about it, starts to initialize, and then we see nothing's coming out. So one thing to point out as well, it's not really going to show much because there's not a complete circuit here until I put some load through that light bulb. So sure enough, it's on, but you can see nothing showing. But watch what happens when I change the CAN channel from CAN 0 to CAN 1. So if I press P right now, it says, which port would you like? Would you like CAN 0 or would you like CAN 1? So I didn't say anything, so it just immediately goes back to initialization. But watch what happens when I change it to CAN 1. I have to be really quick here. So let's see if I can show you this. So put P and then C1 to change to CAN 1. So now we see numbers. It's little numbers. We've got a V3 right now. It's just showing a small bit of noise there, and same with current, a little bit of V2, but it's all tiny values. Watch what happens when I now apply load to the bulb. So now we should see just under 12 volts on V3 and about 5 amps being drawn. So I believe that this is running, at least on the board, through channel CAN 1.